How do you check when you downloaded an app on the iPhone? Let me show you exactly how you can do it. And if you are new here and first time on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything. Now, of course, on your iPhone, you can see the apps installed, whatever. But in order to check the installation date, we have to go to the App Store and then click on the profile, which should appear as an icon in the top right corner, right? So you can click on your information there, then go to the purchase history and you'll be able to browse all of the data in here, right? So it might take a while perhaps to log in, or it might even ask you for your Apple ID password. Depends on when you added it the last time, or it depends on the phone and situation, so you perhaps might need to go through the setup process a little bit. And once you're in here, you'll see the purchase history. By default, it likely will not show you much because there are some filters in place, so you can see that I can change the filters like that and choose the date range and also the cost, right? So perhaps you want to also include the free apps, which are technically called purchases as well, but it's free ones, right? And you can also choose the types. But once you set up the filtering properly, you'll see all of the apps and the dates next to it. So I'll be able to see that I have downloaded this application on this date. And when I click on it, I can see so many different things in here, even at the exact time of the download for that application, right? So it's going to show me all of the data right there. But also it can include downloaded books or other media, and that's why the filtering, which I've shown you at the beginning, is really important, because that way you can only show, for example, apps or some in-app purchases, whatever. But this is all that you probably need to know about it, and that's how you can see the data right there. So that is how it works. Let me know if you managed to find it. Hit the thumbs up if it worked, and I'll see you later in the upcoming tutorials. That is, of course, only if you subscribe, so don't forget to do that, and I'll see you later.